There you go.
You say hi to the puppy.
The four will actually just follow you out.
Kara, did you say hi to the puppies? Sit. Are they so cute? Should we say bye-bye puppies? Can you tell them, shh, tell them no, no, no.
She just sasses everybody up, and that's
okay.
That's good old sassy pants. Doggies. You know, if I could hop back there and play with you, I would. But that says I can't choose your pants.
Did he get you?
Doggy, doggy, doggies. Doggy, doggy, doggies. Doggy, 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 doggies. Let's go get you. Go get you. Go get you. Oh, it's wrapped around your brother.
So nice, Kara.
Oh, I can't pick you up though. I want you.
No.
I can't.
All right, should we say bye-bye puppies? Bye-bye puppies. Can you blow them kisses? All right.
You
Big girl. Blow those doggies some kisses.